Yo, what is going on? You're checking out Kyujin HQ. My name is Chris and welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the Sihuu M18 Ergo chair. I'm sitting in this chair right now. Now this chair's been out for quite some time, but it is on a fire sale right now. And I'm always looking for a nice budget option to add to the new studio. I know a lot of viewers out there want to check out the more, budget friendly stuff that's also of high quality. So that's exactly what we have here today with this new Sihuu M18. Let's go ahead and break this down. Let's get right into it. The Sihuu M18 Ergo chair is a fantastic office or gaming chair that combines comfort, adjustability, and ease of assembly. With its sleek design and ergonomic features, it's a game changer for any avid gamer or workspace, all at a really affordable price point. First things first, setting up the chair is a breeze. In under 10 minutes, you could have it fully assembled and ready to go. The directions are simple and very easy to follow. All of the tools that you need are given to you and they're labeled as well. All of the screws aligned perfectly for me, and everything was just super secure, and overall it was really hard to mess this build up. Now let's talk about first impressions. This is a sleek design and sharp looking chair overall. At first, the seat cushion initially felt a little stiff, but fear not, after a short break-in period, the seat becomes incredibly comfortable, allowing me to game for hours without feeling any discomfort. The mesh backrest contours to your back perfectly, and it's incredibly comfortable as well. The headrest is very easy to adjust, it's soft, and it being a bit wider allowed me to turn my head and still have the support that I needed. When it comes to the M18's features, adjusting it to your liking is a breeze, ensuring optimal support and comfort during those intense gaming or work sessions. Need to find the perfect height? Not a problem. The seat height is easily adjustable, allowing you to customize it to your preference. Like most chairs, simply pull up or down on the lever to adjust this. Now let's focus on these armrests. These arms are designed with your utmost comfort in mind. They feature divots that perfectly cradle to your arms when at rest, providing you maximum comfort. And that's not all, these arms also have an up and down adjustment feature with the simple push of a button. You could effortlessly adjust their height to suit your needs. Now, these arms don't swivel in or out, and they don't slide forward either. To some that could be an issue, but for me it really wasn't. The up and down feature is all that I prefer. I lock these into the perfect position for me and I kind of just forget about it. They're very secure and very, very comfortable. When it comes to gaming or working, the M18 Ergo chair is a true companion for those marathon sessions. You'll find yourself comfortably seated for hours on end, fully immersed in your favorite games or task at hand. Now let's not forget about the essential aspect here, back support. The chair's ergonomic design ensures your back is well supported, minimizing any strain or discomfort. Below the seat you have a twist knob for backrest tilt tension, as well as on the back of the chair you have a twist knob that allows you to release or tighten your lumbar support, as well as raise the lumbar support up or down as well, depending on how high or low that you may need it. Now these knobs can easily be reached without even getting up out of the chair, and once I adjusted these to my desired preference, I was more than satisfied. Another added bonus is the fact that this chair's backrest can unlock and you're able to recline in this chair, great for watching a movie or just relaxing and taking a much needed break. Now this chair's material is very breathable and waterproof as well. So if you're someone who tends to be a bit messy and find yourself spilling drinks, or maybe you heat up and sweat while you're gaming or working, well, this chair should have you covered. Now this chair is sold in a few different color options, orange, gray, and the black that you see here today, and they all vary in price. Now here's the best part. These chairs are insanely affordable right now, and they are currently on a really fire sale via Amazon. They have active coupons ranging from $40 to $70 off, depending on which color that you choose, so you could really score one of these chairs for as low as like $160. The ones on Amazon don't come with the new upgraded footrest option. Currently, you can only get that from their website, but like always, I will have both links down below in the video description if you want to grab one of these chairs. Now, I'm 6 foot 250 pounds, and I fit in this chair with ease. The W-shaped seat cushion and wide backing really conform nicely to your body. Here are the chair's full dimensions so you can see if this chair is the right fit for you or not. And if you are in the market for a new work or gaming chair that's not going to break the bank, I would take advantage of this current sale and elevate your desk setup with the Sihuu M18 Ergo chair. Its easy assembly, comfort, style, and extensive adjustability options make it the perfect choice for anyone seeking a new chair within a budget. And the best part is, your back will thank you for it later. So that's my take on the Sihuu M18 Ergo chair. What do you guys out there think of this chair? And if you were to pick one up, which color would you go ahead and grab for your studio? I'm really curious. And what do you guys want to see next? More chairs, more keyboards, different types of tech? Let me know for sure down below in the comments. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. Give the video a huge thumbs up if you liked it. Maybe share it with a friend. And that is it for me. Most importantly, you guys stay safe out there. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.